Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tips. Today we will be discussing how to lock and hide apps on your iPhone. It's an easy process, so let's get started. First, find the app you want to lock and hide. Once you've found it, press and hold on the app icon until the context menu pops up. From this menu, you want to choose Require Face ID. You'll then see a couple of options. If you just want to lock the application, choose Require Face ID. But if you want to both hide and lock the application, choose Hide and Require Face ID. That's what I'm going to choose for this example. After selecting this, you'll see an information window explaining what's about to happen. This is important. When you choose to hide an application, any information related to that app will not appear anywhere else on your iPhone. You'll only be able to access the application through the Hidden Apps folder, which will require Face ID or your passcode to unlock. Okay, ready? Click on Hide App at the bottom of the screen. You should see the app disappear. It's now successfully hidden. So, how do you access this hidden app? You need to go to the app library. Swipe all the way to the right across your home screens until you get there. Once you're in the app library, scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll see a section called Hidden Apps. Choose that category. It will then prompt you to open it with Face ID or your passcode. All of your hidden apps should then appear. When you're ready to use the app, just click on it. You might be asked for Face ID again to fully open the application. And then, you'll be able to interact with the app as normal. Now, what if you want to unhide and unlock the application? Go back to the Hidden Apps category, unlock it with Face ID or your passcode, and then press and hold on the application you want to unhide. From the menu that appears, choose Do Not Require Face ID. Once you've done this, your application should be unhidden. You might need to add it back to your home screen if it was previously there. And that's it. All information related to the app will now appear within your system. And that is how you lock and hide an app on your iPhone. I hope you found this helpful. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more Roam tips. Thanks for watching.